Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on this last night about cut order. And one of my subscribers that watches almost all my videos, if not all my videos, made a suggestion if you control X and control V, which is cut and paste. So if we go to Windows and go to Dockers and go to Object, in this scenario, the ellipse is going to cut first because it's at the bottom, and on an epilogue print driver, and I would think most of them, it's going to cut in that order. Well, I just deleted it and drew a new circle, but I've already reduced it. Now it's 7.309. So instead of remembering that, we can control X and control V, and we basically cut and pasted it. And now, well, let's take away our text up here. Now the ellipse is going to cut last is what you want. And the reason you want that, just in case you don't understand, if your bed's a little bit off or a little bit, if you cut the outside first, it might fall a little bit down in a hole. If your bed's not, if your honeycomb bed has a little wobble in it, and then the hearts would have to cut out at that angle. This way, it's going to cut out the hearts. Nothing's going to fall until it cuts out this ellipse. So I thank that viewer for basically reminding me of that, and that'll work. Hope that helped. Thank you.